So at the junk store today we found an old Commodore calculator, and I mean it's an old one. For $2.99. It's in its box. I ripped the bag open earlier just so it was easier while I'm taping this. It's a Commodore. It's an old Commodore personal electronic calculator, and yeah, I paid $2.99 for it. Just say, made in the United Kingdom. I'm gonna pause and take it out. So here we go. It's out of the box. As you can see, it's still in its plastic little case. Looks like the instructions are in it too. Pull it out. See what's going on here. Here we go. Personal mini computer. Commodore personal mini computer model number 796M. It's the owner's manual, and it's in French, and a warranty card. I doubt if the warranty's still on this. There we go. I'm guessing this is early 70s. I don't know. I'd have to look it up. Anyway, there's a little bag. See if it does anything here. Oh, it works. It works. So there you go. I'm guessing from the early 70s, an old Commodore personal calculator. A junk store find for $2.99. And it's in great shape. All the paperwork, the case, and the box. You don't see these every day. So that's my score for today. Have a great day, and see you again.